Last week, I shared a story to show why it is important to measure before building anything. But what exactly should we measure? Knowing the desired business outcome does provide a starting point, but it's really enough. For example, one of my manufacturing clients wanted to understand the profitability of their AAA battery, something like this, and improve it. While profitability for different lines of businesses was tracked, profitability at product level, especially for something small like this, was a black hole. Calculating the cost proved surprisingly complex. Material costs were easy, but allocating labor, electricity, packaging, and distribution across dozens of products was a daunting task. This project highlighted the need to dig deeper. We needed to measure the time spent on each product in production, determine the space used for warehousing and transportation of each product, allocate packaging and shipping costs accurately, and the list goes on. We also realized that instead of trying to optimize the overall cost, we needed to prioritize areas with the highest potential impact, like shipping and distribution first, followed by inventory and so on. This approach applies to any transformation. In the infrastructure build example I shared last week, we should have focused on measuring and optimizing procurement, scheduling, and then change management before diving into technical automation. So, the key takeaway is that true optimization requires a deep dive into the underlying metrics. See Lydia Becker's post in the comment below for the collaborative approach and pre mortem techniques she used to smoothen her product launch. I would love to hear from you, share your thoughts. How are you identifying the right metrics for success of your initiatives? Thank you.